Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Baylor channel. Today, I'll show you how to recover a Facebook account. For this, I'm opening any browser. You can open any browser from your phone and type Facebook, then search Facebook accounts recovery. Go ahead and click the first link, recover your account if you can't log in. This link isn't working right now. Okay, I opened it in a different browser and here it worked. There. And here we have some tips on how to recover your account, by resetting your password and so on. And here we have, if you don't have access to your email address or phone number, there. So you can read about that here, but what we need is account recovery. There. So here we select the issue, right? Okay. And you'll need to open this link from the device where your Facebook account was lost or hacked. Right? So click on it and select your problem here. And so you choose here an account, right? If you logged in from the right device, you can select it from the list. Click next and then send a request and they'll help you out. I also found their email address which looks like this. You can try reaching out to this email through any email service, okay? But first, just describe the problem without sharing any passwords or addresses. Just contact support and they'll guide you on how to recover your account. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.